Okay, so we're going to jump into a really important part of today's lesson where we are looking at an essay and analyzing the model. We're going to try to do this really quickly because I know you've already spent a lot of time reading your book today. So here's the really important part right here. It says, the Hope Chest explores several themes. Write an essay that explains one of the major themes of the book. Use evidence and examples from the text to support your interpretation. Okay, you are going to be writing an essay, and this is the model that's going to help us guide, but we're going to do it slowly, and we're going to go one step at a time like we would do if we were in class. So the first thing we're going to do now is we're going to look at this example essay. You are going to be choosing one theme from the Hope Chest. Okay, you can choose inequality is injustice, stand up for what is right, or the last one, blanking, is, don't judge a book by its cover. So those are your three themes that you can choose. And once you've chosen your theme, you're going to then begin writing your essay. This person chose do something meaningful. You're not going to be able to use do something meaningful because that's the example we're looking at. So today we're only going to focus on this first paragraph. Okay? We're going to take it one step at a time. You know from class that the first paragraph is called the introduction paragraph, right? This paragraph is your intro. Okay, so let's go ahead and read it. It says, The Hope Chest by Karen Schwabach is a story about a girl called Violet who runs away from home to find her sister Chloe. Chloe is working on getting women the right to vote in Tennessee. One of the themes of this book is that it is important to do something meaningful. In this book, Chloe and Violet take risks in order to do something meaningful with their lives. All right, that is paragraph 1. That's your intro. So what is this paragraph called? All right, good. And then the rest of these paragraphs, we have our proof paragraph 1. Does this sound familiar? Proof paragraph 2. And then hope you're saying it with me, conclusion. You know the parts of an essay. You've written so many essays this year. So let's analyze this first paragraph. So we know we have The Hope Chest by Karen Schwabach is a story about a girl called Violet who runs away from home to find her sister Chloe. Chloe is working on getting women the right to vote in Tennessee. This is your gist. Okay? This is your gist. And then we have our focus statement. One of the themes of this book is that it is important to do something meaningful. Focus statement. This person chose the theme, do something meaningful. You can choose inequality is injustice, stand up for what is right, and don't judge a book by its cover. You're thinking, which one of those themes are you going to write about? Which one do you have the most evidence? In this book, both Chloe and Violet take risks in order to do something meaningful with their lives. So these are your supporting statement 1, which we'll make yellow, and your supporting statement 2, which we will make blue. So we've just now painted this. So we have The Hope Chest by Karen Schwabach is a story about a girl called Violet who runs away from home to find her sister Chloe. Chloe is working on getting women the right to vote in Tennessee. This is your gist. So what is the red part? Okay, good. And then you have your focus statement. One of the themes of this book is that it is important to do something meaningful. So this is the focus statement. So what is your green part? Okay, good. Focus statement. And then you have your yellow and your blue. So these are your two supporting details that support your theme. So we have in this book, Chloe, it's kind of combined, and Violet, so we have our yellow and our blue, take risks in order to do something meaningful with their lives. So character 1 is yellow and character 2 is blue. Okay, so that is your introduction paragraph. You're going to start it today by writing a focus statement. After this, don't worry, I'll help you. And then tomorrow, you'll put together the whole paragraph. You can do it. Okay? So, what I want you to think about right now is you have 3 themes to choose from. You can either write about the theme. Let me zoom in. Stand up for what is right. Don't judge a book by its cover. Or inequality is injustice. So what you are going to do right now is before you jump into this document that I'm showing you, I want you to think about which one of these themes are you wanting to choose to, if you had to write an essay about this book, which one of these do you think you could find the most evidence for? Tell me in the box. All right, you guys, so we just analyzed the introduction paragraph of our essay. We know that we have proof paragraph 1, proof paragraph 2, and our conclusion in this essay too. So each day we'll dig deeper into this and we will do our best in writing this essay. We've got this.